to fulfill, and you got to keep pushing. Look at your neighbor and say, keep pushing. Tell somebody, say, keep pushing. Yeah, it ain't over with right now. And so the disciples had to keep pushing in the midst of a storm. They had no idea that the storm was going to occur, but they kept pushing anyhow. And even though they was afraid, they realized one thing, that they had Jesus. Can I suggest to you this morning that as long as you realize one thing, even in a dark building, in a well-lit building, as long as you got Jesus, look at somebody tell, as long as you got Jesus, that's all you have to worry about. The storm was tossing them to and fro. The storm was taking over the ship. Waves were crashing on top of the ship. The disciples were afraid. They were scared. But somebody remembered that Jesus was in the bow of the boat. Can you remember this morning that no matter what you are faced with, no matter how much those bills come, no matter how much the doctor said you can't make it, no matter how much friends and family say you ain't gonna make it, look at somebody and tell them Jesus is in the boat. Good God.